In today's video, I'm going to show you a magical website that's going to pay you $10 cash money right into your PayPal account for less than a minute of work. Yes, it's free. Yes, it's available worldwide. And yes, you can do it right from your phone. All you need to do is write a short review, hit submit, and collect your money. But don't worry, you won't need any particular technical skill or knowledge, and anybody with a smartphone or a computer can do it. This website is used by the largest software developers around the globe that just want your opinion on their product. But guess what? You don't need to know anything about their product. I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you how to get that $10 every time in less than a minute. So if this sounds good to you, then keep watching this video. So give us a like, subscribe to the channel. This is Online Moneymaker. Let's get into it right now. The website we'll be using today to make that easy PayPal money is called Capterra.com. Now, if you've never used this website before, I need you to stop right there. The sign-up process can be a little tricky, and if you don't answer some of these questions correctly, you are not going to get approved. But not to worry, just watch this whole video and I'm going to show you exactly what to put in here and you will be approved instantly. Capterra is a great website and it's an easy way to make quick PayPal money. What it is a website where software developers want to pay you to write short reviews on their products. Now, don't worry, you don't need to have any technical skills or knowledge to do this, and you get paid $10 for every review, and they take less than a minute. As you can see, there is a number of different software developers that basically want to pay you for your opinion, and you can choose from any of these you want. Again, you don't need to know anything about these. I'm going to show you everything. Just watch till the end, and once you complete the short survey, you get $10 right into your PayPal account. It's as easy as that. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the home page, you'll see all the categories that you can choose from. You've got anything from accounting and finance, hospitality and travel, HR talent, banking and loans, business operations, the list goes on and on. So chances are you're going to know a little something about one of these categories. However, if you know nothing about any of them, not to worry. Keep watching this video and I'm going to get you started on the right foot here. I'm going to get you paid right away. And yes, you can do this from your phone. I'm showing you this on my laptop because it's a little easier, but you can do this very easily on your phone from anywhere. On the train, in a waiting room, on the couch, in bed, on the toilet, you decide. So let's get started here. The first thing you want to do is go up to the top and you want to click on this Write a Review here. So click on Write a Review. From there, you'll be brought to this page where you can scroll down and choose from any of these companies that want to hear your opinion about their software. And I told you I was going to get you paid right away, so I want you to copy exactly what I do. We are going to get started with something that pretty much everybody knows a little something about. If you don't worry about it. Just watch this video and do exactly what I do. Just type in Facebook. Okay, this is where I need you to pay close attention and do everything I do. Just follow me, because if you fill out any of this stuff wrong, chances are you're not going to get approved. Okay, first step, just enter your first and last name and an email address. Simple enough. Now, under job title, I want you to write freelancer. Okay, freelancer. Organization name, I want you to write self-employed. Okay. Under industry, we want to plug in computer software. So just scroll down and we're going to hit computer software. Where is it? There it is. Computer software. Got it. Okay. Company size. Okay, we're self-employed, so just write in myself only. Here we go. And how long have you used this software? This is important. You want to select 1 to 2 years, okay? 1 to 2 years there. Now, how frequently do you use this software, okay? We want to say daily, okay? Because everybody uses Facebook daily. If you don't, they might reject you. Okay, what is your role in using this software? Just click I am a user, okay? And then you want to hit next. And now we've come to the next important step. Again, just follow exactly what I do. Now we need to rate the overall quality. I want you to do 5 stars. okay? Ease of use. Damn tongue twister, okay? 5 stars. Features and functionality, okay? 5 stars, everything. Customer support, 5 stars. Value for the money, well, it's free, so we're not, you don't pay anything for Facebook. Here's another tongue twister. Ease of deployment. Ease of deployment. I nailed it, okay? 5 stars. And just go click here. Boom. Okay. How does the pricing for Facebook compare to similar products? It's free, so boom. And important right here. How likely is it that you would recommend Facebook to a friend or colleague? We want to go very likely. And then hit next, and if you followed step by step everything I did and you're brought to this page, then congratulations, you were approved and you're about to write this short review and make $10, okay? But you need to keep watching because I need to show you what to write in here because there's still a chance that they will reject your review. Not to worry, I've got you covered. So if you're liking this so far, like the video for me. Boom, okay, appreciate that. Okay, title your review. You can title that anything you want, okay? Now you're gonna fill out pros, what do you like most about this software? Cons, what do you least like about it? And your overall experience, okay? So here's what I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna throw some templates up, exactly what I've written in here and got my $10, okay? So I'm gonna throw the pros up one here. You can just take a look at that. You can copy that pretty much word for word if you want, or just do something very similar, okay? So you got the pros. Now I'm gonna throw up the cons. This is a template you can use word for word for the cons if you want, okay? And again, this is guaranteed. If you copy this word for word, you're guaranteed, okay? And you can see how long this takes. I mean, you can type this up. This will take less than a minute, okay? That's $10 in a minute. And then describe your overall experience with Facebook. Here's my template for that for you, okay? Again, if you need to pause the video and you want to write it down or whatever, go ahead. And then after you type in all that, did you switch from another product? Push no, okay? Then all you got to do is click this box right here. You're agreeing to their terms and conditions and push submit, okay? Then you want to go back and check your email, the one you signed up with, and you should have a notification from Capterra saying you've got $10 waiting for you. Get that $10 into your PayPal account, okay? It's as easy as that, guys. Again, if you need to go back and watch this video, do it. Follow me step by step and you will not have any problem. You can do this all day, okay? If you like this video, give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel. This is Online Moneymaker.